Hi guys, Mimi here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am a sewing influencer and content creator. And today I'm just going to show you the jacket that I made. I'm super excited about it. Now, in one of my previous videos where I was talking about my sewing plans, I mentioned that I was going to be making this jacket. I had gotten the fabric from Spoonflower and it was gorgeous. I mean, I love the fabric, as you guys can see. I'm doing it again. See, I'm going to have to start over. You know why? Because apparently somebody said that it's annoying that I look at myself and I got to look at the camera, but it's really weird for me to not look to make sure I'm showing what I'm supposed to show because I can't show you if I'm looking over here because I don't know what I'm showing you. It's always something. I'm going to do the best I can. I'm going to do the best I can. Okay. So I got this fabric from Spoonflower and it's perfection. I loved the heavy weight of the denim, and somebody in my comments, thank you so much, gave me a tip that if I wash this fabric, like pre-wash my fabric, which I did, I pre-washed it twice and also dried it just to get it a little softer because it was pretty stiff. It is still a little stiff, but much better than it was when I got it. And so they mentioned that if I wash it in Coke, like Coca-Cola, that it would soften the fabric. So I haven't tried that, but I saved it. Okay, saved it in here. So I love that it holds its shape. I don't mind that it's a little stiffer than some of the other denims that I have because I think it just lends to the style of the jacket. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Okay. So I went ahead and added just a little like red bias binding around the facing just because I thought it added like a little something, something, just a little punch of color on the inside. I love the collar shape of this, especially if you look at the back, you'll see that we have this like round shape. I just love the way it makes the collar stand on this. We also have 4 pockets. So we have the pocket here. I added 2 snaps, and then we just have the open pocket here at the bottom. I use snaps, so I thought that the gold snaps were kind of cool. I was going to use like a bronzy color, but I didn't have them, and I wasn't going to go buy them. So I used what I had. I also love, of course, our sleeve, and we have a snap there. And if you notice, I did add a little red something, something right there too, because I just think it's cute. Like you could just see like a little bit of it. So I really love that. The fit of the jacket is oversized, and that's one of the really like amazing things I love about it because I could wear like a sweater underneath if I wanted to. And then of course, the band. So I thought about adding the red bias binding to the band, but I was tired, y'all. I was tired and I said, you know what? The top stitching and everything, I said, I'm good. I'm good. But I love the way the jacket came out. It's like one of my favorites. Let me put it on for you. I also love the length, like where it fits, where it falls on my body. And again, that oversized fit is just so good. I cannot wait to make this again because this is like my favorite jacket. I might add length and make like a knee length one. I mean, that could be cute. I remember when Brittany filmed this for Sew It Academy, I hadn't made it because usually if she's filming for Sew It Academy, then I generally am not making the garment and I'll make it like maybe weeks or a month after. But after I saw her and she sent me the photos, I was like, oh, I gotta make that jacket. So I made it in that tweed, which you guys saw. And then after I ordered this amazing leopard fabric, I knew I was gonna make the jacket in the leopard, and I bought enough that I have my jeans already cut out because I need some leopard jeans out of the same fabric. And I am so excited to finish those, and I will show you those too. I figured I would make a video where I'm showing you the garment. See, where I'm showing, it's terrible. I'll get used to it. I will. I promise I'll get used to it. I figured I would show you guys the garments as I'm making them instead of sort of waiting till I've gotten like 4 or 5 things done and then showing all of them. Sometimes I might show you a couple, but I was so excited about the jacket. I was like, I'm just gonna film it and show you guys so you guys could see how it turned out. And I'm super excited. So as usual, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.